Joseph TV Planet, and today we're bored, so we're gonna find something interesting to do. There was supposed to be a fair.
There's supposed to be some sort of car show fair, so we will explore and see if we can find it.
We don't see anything.
I know, and it doesn't look like there's much foot traffic here, so I'm thinking that we got a false report. Look, and there's a one-wheel skateboarder.
It's our car show. That's the car show.
That's our one-wheel show.
Yeah, the one-wheel show. Joseph TV, y'all. Watch our video, subscribe, y'all.
So, we're seeing that over there might be a car show. So we are exploring.
I thought that was the car show. They must have thought the car show was over there.
Maybe they're having a birthday party. So we're gonna wander over here and see what exciting vehicles we might see with our peepers. See a lot of cars?
Yeah, that's a lot of cars.
Okay, let's up here in the shade for a second. Wow, looks like they got some neat vehicles that we might end up seeing over here. Wow. What do you think about that ride? Huh? You like the schmelephant? That is very, very cool. Here, stand in front of it and I'll make your picture. Ready? That's nice. Wow. Look at some of these rides. Wow. Huh? Oh, man, they got some nice cars. Look, is that Sonic? That's Shadow. Oh, look inside. Look at how cool that is. Wow, is that cool or what? Look at right there. These are so cool.
That's still Shadow.
Well, maybe that's the name of his car, Shadow.
Ah.
Look, he's got Shadow on the side right there too. Mr. Joseph TV had oral surgery, and you can see in there the stitches, and one of them's already pulled out. Daddy has that same problem. These damn things never want to stay in. We just got to be careful. The Smurf car, 345 Smurf. Oh, that must be his Instagram. That's his Instagram. Wow, look at that. That's nice, huh? Oops, sorry. Wow, they got some nice rides here, Broham. Like a barracuda. Here, I want your picture in this.
I call this one the Pinky Pooper.
The Pinky Pooper. Wow. Look, there's a food truck. Look at this. Wow.
Oh, look at that one.
Who's that? Is that Patricia? Is that Patricia? Hi, Patricia.
Look at that one.
I know, that's cool, huh? They got some nice rides here.
Oh, they do have food.
Yeah, no, I saw the food.
This guy.
Wow. These are some nice rides, buddy. You like that one? That is so nice.
Would you stand that van? Look, it just looks at like a normal van. Look over the side. It's a van house.
That's pretty nice. Who's ever here is probably sleeping in it. Wow, this truck is nice. Very, very nice. Wow.
Another car is the best car here. Look at it.
You like that one? Look at the inside of this one, though. Come over here.
Oh,
Wow.
it's not.
I know, it's cool. I see. Look over here, though.
Fire.
Fire! Fire! Look at this truck over here, though.
Dad,
Huh? I know, that's nice, but look at this one.
whoa, look at that one.
I know. So nice. What cars do you like so far?
I like the shadow one we saw and the
Oh, the Shadow, yeah.
fire.
That one, the fire one's pretty cool, but Daddy's liking this truck over here. Oh, they got the skeletons riding these rides. Giddy up.
Look, there's a skeleton in the back.
Huh?
What happened to the one in the back?
I guess they died. Paint job on this one over here.
Alrighty, it's almost that time again for another. Bruno.
Wow. And this ride right here is so cool. I need your picture. Go stand next to that. Look at that, it's pretty cool. Wouldn't you like to race around town in that? Bad. That's pretty legit too. Yeah. I gotta wait till.
So we already went to the car show, so we're gonna go somewhere else.
Bye, car show. It was enjoyable. See you next time, Mopar. Rio Rancho Mopars.
Got the hell of lowriders in front of us. Got the hell of lowriders in front of us. Ole, chavatos! Make it bounce, say make it bounce. Brown sugar. The name of that car is Brown Sugar.